The handling of chicken is very important. If you touch the chicken, the glove is then contaminated, your hand is then contaminated, and you cannot touch doorknobs, you cannot touch other pieces of equipment. So you have to be very careful about chicken. Chicken carries the dreaded salmonella, and I've had that salmonella food poisoning probably 3 or 4 times in my life, and it's not fun. So when you're dealing with chicken, you have to be extremely cautious. Also, you have to worry about it cooking to the right temperature, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and the thermometer has to hold there for at least 15 seconds. If it goes down, you have to cook it some more. So here we have Mr. Chicken Breast, and we're going to put a little salt and pepper on Mr. Chicken Breast. And a little bit of pepper here. And then we're going to put a little oil in the pan here, which is warming up nicely. Notice how I have the handle over this way right now. You have to keep it away from you, because if it's hanging out here and you go past it, you can take all that oil and put it onto your body, and you don't want that to happen. Always put the presentation side down first. And I'm going to put a little more heat on that puppy. There we go. And so it's down here. We're going to cook it for about 20 minutes. That's about 5 minutes per side. We're going to turn it. We're going to turn it again. And we're going to turn it one more time. Since we're doing it in a skillet, we don't have to worry about putting diamond grill marks on it. We're just cooking it to put it into our chicken fajitas today. And also to show you how we handle the chicken. Now you see my hands here. They're all nice and juicy here. So I really can't touch anything else. So what I have to do is I have to take the gloves off, throw them away, and I have to go wash my hands for 20 seconds. We all know how to wash our hands. So while our chicken breast over here is cooking, the recipe for chicken fajitas is actually to pre-slice the chicken before it goes into the skillet to cook. The reason why we're cooking a whole breast over here is basically to show you the sanitation properties of cooking a whole chicken breast.